If your Lexus NX Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out, you are not alone, and the fix is often simpler than you think. Studies show that 80% of intermittent CarPlay drops are caused by cable quality or port obstructions rather than software bugs. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by inspecting your hardware, as a loose connection or debris in the port is the most common culprit. If the hardware is clean, these software adjustments often stabilize the handshake between your phone and the Lexus infotainment system. Sometimes the Lexus software itself needs a refresh, so check for any pending dealer-installed head unit updates. If you are using a wireless adapter, realize that signal congestion in busy urban areas can cause frequent disconnects. As you can see, replacing the cable solves the vast majority of these frustrating connection drops. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal carefully if you plan to perform a full system power cycle. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to address connectivity issues the moment they appear. Consistency is king with digital interfaces, so do not settle for cheap or damaged cables in your premium vehicle. If these steps fixed your connection, hit subscribe for more Lexus troubleshooting tips and keep your ride running smooth.